So you are a crafter and you have a lot of scrap papers lying with you and you don't know what to do with them? Then keep on watching this video. Hi guys, I am Akansha Sehgal and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. If you are someone who loves DIYs, crafts and want to know more about crafting business, then make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss any notifications from my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you two easy envelopes that you can make from scrap papers that are with you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So today we'll be making these two types of envelopes, and if you follow me on Instagram you must have seen these two, and these both the designs are made in a similar way, but it's just the folds are a little bit different. So let's just begin with the envelopes. We'll first make this pattern. So you'll need a square sheet of paper, and this type of envelope making is really good to use your old scraps, and especially those papers that you really don't want to use. So take a square sheet of paper. You can take any size of any size of square sheet that you want, and just diagonally fold it into half. And when you're folding it into half, make sure that the pattern that you want on the flap, like this one, that's in the inside. Like I want the red pattern on the flap, so I have folded it inside. Then take this top half and fold it here. Then from this corner, fold it straight. Take a little bit extra so that when you're folding, you have some space to paste it properly. And do the same on this side as well. So you need to make sure that when you're folding, your corners align with the base here for this pattern. And then just take some Fevicol and just paste your flaps. Do it on the other side as well. And your first type of envelope is ready. So it will have 3 pockets, one here, 2, and the third on this side. And yeah, this is pretty much about the first pattern. Now for the second pattern, again take a square sheet, and I'll take this side on the flap. I personally like to use those sheets which have pattern on both the sides, or like one side pattern and one side color, like this also, because it looks better, I guess. Fold it into half, bring the top to the bottom like this, fold it into half. Now for this one, how you are going to fold the sides is like, again from the corner only, but this time align this side with the top fold. Like for this one, when we folded it, we aligned with the bottom one, but this time we'll be aligning the flap with the upper side. So you can see the difference. Like earlier we folded like this to align it with the bottom part, but this time we are aligning with the top part. And same for this side as well. Oops. Align it with the top part. So one thing that you should keep in mind is that when you are making these envelopes, try and take lighter sheets. Like if the sheets will be thick like this, you will face a little bit of problem while folding and pasting. So try and choose the sheets which are a little thinner. Then again, grab your Fevicol and paste the sides. I personally like this second pattern because it gives a little nicer look, because the sides are slant and you have a little bigger pockets. So you will have 3 pockets here as well. The bigger pocket, one smaller on this side, and the other smaller pocket on this side. You can use these envelopes in your scrapbooks and in your cards, and also you can make bigger size envelopes from 12 by 12 inch sheets and 6 by 6 inch sheets, and use these as envelopes to send your happy mails, or just make some loaded envelopes from this pattern. So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also, this was the first time when I tried doing the live audio recording. Like, I always do voiceovers for my DIYs. So do let me know in the comment section which method you prefer more, and I'll do videos accordingly. And yeah, this was pretty much about it. I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.